in today's video, we're going to be producing a full song inside SUNO Studio 2.0, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to go about everything. If you're new to this channel, my name is Jay. I make music production tutorials on YouTube on mixing and mastering. Right now, we're inside SUNO Studio. The first thing that I'm going to do is create a MIDI right here, a MIDI track. And the reason why I'm creating a MIDI track is because I've got a sound. I want to play it manually, and that's what we're going to build everything from. You can select your keyboard. I've got this, my MIDI controller, this one right here. I can choose it and I'll be able to use it to play. You can come down here, just click on this, then this keyboard thing will pop up here, and you can see I can use my keyboard. So the tempo for the song that I want to do, let me leave it somewhere around 110 right here, and I switch on the metronome so that I'm able to play properly. I'm on the track and I activate it right here so that it can start recording. Then when I double click on the MIDI, you can see that it opens here. So I'll just make sure that it's where it's supposed to be. The first thing I'll do is come to quantize and just click there. You can see that they move. Guys, so after working around with the chord progression, I've decided to bring it an octave down. Alright, so let's quickly add another audio track right here. And now what I want to do is add some drums. I'll come here and simply just say add Afrobeat drum set. Okay, I think I like this particular one. I'll simply add another audio track right here. I want something like an electric guitar. And this is what the guitar sounds like. So I like this particular one. I can also check the second one right here. It's not so different, but I'll go with this one right here. What I'll do is zoom in a little bit like this, and I want to record a vocal here. So just give it a vibe with the vocal at this point, I think. I'll click here to kind of activate my mic. So my microphone is connected to my focus right here. Alright, so I've got this vocal right here. I'll just wait for it to finish uploading right here. And by the way, I can click on the vocal and just come down here and I can add plugins. So I can go to something like reverb, compression, or whatever. I can, you can see the plugins here. I can get like an EQ. Alright, so let's quickly add another track right here. And I'm simply just going to say background choir vocals. Alright, I think I like this one. I'll simply click there and bring the first part twice. Let's see what we get from this. And I'll just paste it here. I think what I'll do here is make this longer. I'm going to copy this and add it again right here. Let me delete this and add vocals right here to kind of give it like a verse or something like that. I want this backing choir to come right after the first part right here. Yeah, let your body speak to me on the level, different level. I know your style, I like your style. You gotta give me love, Alright guys, so before you start recording, there's actually something that you need to do to kind of calibrate your microphone. And when you come here on the record button, you can see something like latency right here, and you can just click on calibrate right here, and what it will do is that it will start producing some kind of sound that will be going into your mic, and it will see the latency between your mic and coming in here. And what will happen there is that it will give you a value. I've already done mine, so I'm just giving you a heads up so that when you record, everything goes straight on time. If you remember very well, I added this EQ right here, but you can also add more, delay, whatever it is that you can add right here, or you can create your own plugin right here. If you take a look at this, I created my own plugin. If I click on it, this plugin right here, I just wanted it to have like a compressor, EQ, and stuff like that so that I can quickly polish up my vocal right here.
Yeah, let your body speak to me on a level, different level. I know your style, I like your style. You gotta give me love, gotta give me love. Let me love you, let me give you.
Alright guys, so I've got an idea. What if we export this, then create a cover and see how SUNO will create that song and kind of pick out a few things from there. So what I'll do here is come to export, and I'll go to full song. Then it will say go to song like this. It has simply just exported everything that I had right there, which is this.
Yeah, let your body speak to me.
But what I want to do is to create a cover of this. So I'll come to create. Yeah, so a lot of you are familiar with this remix, and you can see its cover right here. And I just want to see what type of song it will create. So I'll go to create. So let's listen to the first version right here.
Yeah, let your body speak to me on a level, different level. Yeah. I know your style, I like your style. You gotta give me love, gotta give me loving.
Okay, let's go with this particular one right here. So I've liked it. Go back to studio. So once I'm back in studio, I can click library here to songs. I can actually filter them by liked. I'll just drag it into my studio project right here. Make sure I line it up exactly where the vocal is starting in my studio project. So I've successfully managed to line it up here, and the good part about it is that once I drop it in here, it syncs to the tempo. But what I want here is to kind of get stems for this particular one. So I'll go to get stems. Then I'll go to advanced. You can use the auto split or advanced, but I'll go with the advanced because I can simply just choose what I want from here. Get the drums. I can also get the bass if at all it's there. And what else do I need here? I can also get the guitar, maybe keyboard, and let's just go extract. Alright, so now I can click on insert all. You can see they all come into the project. So I'll mute the actual one here. Then I can mix up everything. You can see my vocal right here. I can mix all the instruments.
Yeah, let your body speak to me on a level, different level. I know your style, I like your style. You gotta give me love, gotta give me loving.
So for the guitars, what I've decided to do is mix mine and whatever I got from here. I think I like it here. So what I'll do is I'll just delete the cover song from this project, and I also delete my drums, and everything now is okay. You can see things may not be organized properly. You can always reach out to the chat here. You simply come here, and I'm simply just going to say, please rename all my tracks so that they make sense, and just click here. SUNO is going to rename all these tracks that you see here so that they make sense, and I'm going to get the stems. We go into Cubase. You can see what is happening here. It's renaming them. Alright, so it's done. Renamed all tracks with clear descriptive names. Alright, so now I can click on export, then go to multi-track. It's now downloading right here. I'm in Cubase right now. I've exported the stems and I've recorded a lead vocal.
Let your body speak to me
on a level, different level, yeah. I know your style, you know my style. Let me love you. Ooh, baby, ooh. Let me love you, baby. Let me give you love. Let me love you, baby. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll leave the link in the description. Go and check out SUNO if you want to try it out. Comment in the comment section, let me know what you think, and thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.